Hi folks, Shane Timmons, the Guarantee RV. This is a 2018 Work and Play 30 WRS. Nice big front cap on the Work and Play. This is one of our bigger units, and this one is actually a newer lineup, so it'll be real interesting to come in and take a look at it. First thing I like to point out about this particular brand is it's got what's called RFP, or reinforced plywood walls, and a laminated texture over that. Top in class. This has a nice huge underpass, plenty of storage, manual jacks. If you notice, you got the big front storage. You got bins inside here, places for your propane, batteries, extra capacity outside. Big front cap. If you notice how deep this cap comes back, that's exceptional, and it really helps the integrity and holds up a lot longer. This happens to be one with the slide out, kind of a unique one. Also, very heavy loaded tire and a steel frame, steel wheel wells. So God forbid you ever got a flat tire, it doesn't just go straight to the axles and tear everything up. Come on in. We'll start back here. Everybody else has been doing it, so these guys have decided to do it too. A garaged area. Nice thing about this is you have your own area. Rollover sofas. Drop these down. You can put your tables up. You can turn it into a double queen bed. You know, you can have a lot of different looks going on back here. It's ventilated. You got the emergency exit windows. 3,000-pound ramp. Work and Play is a little more low profile, so you can get things that are a little more profile in and out of here. You don't have to have something that's big and jacked up to get in and out of here. So very nice touch with these folks. You've got a scissor sofa, so this lays down, goes up flat. This is actually a slide out that runs all the way out, so you have plenty of leg room in here. Got the Norcold refrigerator freezer. One of my personal likes about this is got a nice deep lip in here, so if you ever did have a thaw out, it can hold up to 5 pounds of melted ice without just dumping out all over you. Convection microwave. You've got the 3-burner stove. They got into a 3-burner stove, which we're finding is a little more practical because you can actually put bigger pots on there than the 4-burner stove. Plenty of cupboard space, nice big deep shelving. CD player, MP3 player, all the goodies. Up front, of course, you're going to have air and heat throughout the coach. It is ducted, propane heat, 110 air. This is what they call a walk-around queen bed, with storage underneath, and it's sectioned off. Now, if you notice, this is all wood. That's a good thing for wood here because it's a very good insulator. Nice big hanging closets. So when you're out, obviously everybody knows as much room as possible is important. Big closets up here. You got a little nightstand up here and nightstands on the side. So if you have cell phones, CPAP machines, what have you, you got spots to put those. It's got accessibility. We can put a TV up there for you. It's all pre-wired for that. Just a couple high points on the Work and Play. 1-piece metal roof. Very unique. Very durable. These guys have a payload capacity that's usually 2,000 pounds above everybody else most of the time on select units, but they really do a good job on this particular brand. Any more questions, or you want to look at different floor plans, you want to come in and talk with somebody, my name is Shane Timmons. Again, my number is 503-707-2393. Thanks.